Magandang umaga. Ako po si Apple Gareza and I will interview my level coordinator, Ms. Ana Maria Jimenez. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ms. Apple.
Thank you for this time po, giving me the chance to interview you in relation to my requirement in UP, Open University, for my subject and to further po. Right? So, interviewing ko po kayo regarding how it's like being a leader and how is the experience being here in Southern International School and Colleges, visiting in the College of Nursing. So, Ms. Ana, how did you started po here in Southern, or how did you hear about College of Nursing here in Southern International School and Colleges?
When I was still working at Asian Hospital Medical Center as a charge nurse at the 8th floor, I used to work with some of the clinical instructors here. And they've been talking about, their experiences here in the academy. So I decided after several years in that institution, why don't I try it here? And here I am, I just applied as a clinical instructor, and all of a sudden, boom, I was appointed to be a coordinator. It came as a surprise. I was, lost at first, but good thing, the previous level coordinator for here was very helpful, and she endorsed everything that I needed.
So did you enjoy this, or up to now, do you think na there's a lot of things that you have difficulty with?
Honestly, at first, where I used to work, we call it, toxic.
Toxic, yes.
It's a big hospital term, right? So now I'm in the academe, so I thought it would be okay. I would live a normal life. I would be on vacation on Christmas. It would be opposite of toxic, which is benign. But I was mistaken. It's a totally different journey. It's a different challenge.
Yes.
And yes, I'm learning as a leader. I'm honing my leadership skills, and it is not easy.
Did you enjoy being the fourth year Miss?
As a fourth year coordinator?
Yes, or would you rather be in the second year or first year?
Honestly, I'm not sure about that. I would rather be a part-time. But yes, fourth year would be nice because I could relate well to the students.
So, Miss, you mentioned a while ago that initially had a hard time being a level coordinator. So, what motivated you to become a more better leader, or what is motivating you now to sustain that kind of leadership?
Perhaps it's my motivation is geared towards professional growth.
Okay.
Maybe I believe that God put me in this position for a purpose. And yes, I'm having a time of my life really learning and honing my leadership skills. And I wish to be a better leader. Not only that, I learned to be a better follower, and also to be the best teacher I can.
Correct, I totally agree. So, what do you think is the type of leadership skills that you possess, or rather that you are utilizing
Right now?
Are you a combination of both? Are you more of lenient? Are you more strict?
How would you gauge me?
How would I gauge you?
If I were to ask you.
It would be a mix, I guess. You are more of a situational leader, okay?
That is absolutely right.
But would you rather be a more strict leader, or would you rather be a more lenient?
No, definitely. I am not that strict type. I not first. Honestly, when I first started, I was more on one side, on whatever my superiors also would tell me. But now I have learned that I have subordinates to whom I should be a voice. It's hard to be in the middle, but that's one thing. If there's one thing that I really treasure, okay, so far as what I have learned here, being in this position, it's being conduit between my subordinates and
Miss. How about in terms of decision making? Are you active or you would rather follow what is being instructed of you of our dean? So do you play a big part in the decision making in the College of Nursing?
I believe balance, mix of both. I would follow, and at the same time, of course, I would now. Before, I used to just, follow blindly. Like I told you, I'm new in the position. I didn't know what to do. I just, followed everything. I would ask everything. But now I have learned to be like more independent. I would now suggest beginning to be more assertive, and I'm surprised the dean would please listen.
So we think have a very cooperative leader also in the name of Dean Carlos Villegas, who allows voices from the coordinators and of course from the faculty as well.
That's true.
Do you agree, Miss?
I totally agree.
So in terms of being an academy, knowing that there's a lot of people involved, like we have the part-times at the full-times and also have the people from the admin department. So how do you handle certain conflicts or any problem that you have encountered among the group or probably within the different departments that you communicate with?
Honestly, well, in any workplace, conflict is normal, right? Well, that's what we have learned also in leadership and management. It's dealing with it. It's how to deal with a conflict. Now, I believe personally, my own philosophy is that rather than telling your superior about the conflict, I prefer to address the conflict by going directly to the source. Confrontation, we call it.
Yes. Do you think it's effective when you try to confront a situation that involves your subordinates or probably if not the people within the institution? Do you think it is effective?
Based on my experience, yes, it is effective.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. I'm still here. I'm still here.
Yes. So another would be, Miss, knowing that there's a big decrease in enrollment recently. It's not only here in Southville, but majority of the schools nationwide and also within here, south of Manila. Do you have any participation in terms of how we will be able to increase the enrollment rate as part of our KRA or key results area? I mean, we have a target number of population that we hope will enroll by at least academic year 2012. Yeah. Do you have any participation to this, or are you planning anything as part of your PQT?
PQT, yes. Yearly, we are really required or mandated to attend. And it is also our own initiative as not only me, but the other level coordinators as well. We attended this curriculum making in Subic. Every year, we attend that, and insofar as nursing is concerned, you are right about that, since the enrollment is going down. Southville International Schools market right now are the Filipino Americans. We are getting numerous calls or inquiries from the States, especially Filipinos, who wish to acquire their BSN degree here. So most of them are already licensed vocational nurses in the States, and that's where we see our market right now. And we are trying our best, the coordinators together with the team, to adjust the curriculum so that it would fit to their need, to entice them to come to Southville, because as they prefer that as LVNs, they would enter the BSN curriculum already in the second year instead of doing the entire 4 years.
Do you think that would be our advantage compared to the other universities nearby?
I would like to see. Yes.
Correct. So at least we are still having that more in the market. Okay. How about, Miss, in terms of technology? Do we have any programs or specific subject within the College of Nursing that would utilize technology to our advantage?
There's one thing that we are so proud of, that you know also, here in Southville International School, we've make use of the Moodle.
Okay.
Right. So we upload our